Hi friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tavleen and for today's video I created this very simple dewy look using only Wet n Wild products. Wet n Wild is a drugstore brand and you can easily find all the products on HOK Makeup, Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon, and most of them would be available at 50% discount. Like, you just need to wait for the correct timing to order your products. Also, for this entire makeup look I only use this sponge and no brush. I know most of you must be beginners, so I just thought that, as a beginner, we don't have all the products and also like all the brushes and the sponges and everything. So I only use this one sponge for the entire look and no brush at all. And if you want to know how I created this look, then without further ado, let's get on into the video. And also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
So first of all, I'll use this concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade medium light to conceal my eyelids, and also it will prime them. I will also be using some concealer above and below my eyebrows because we all know that because of lockdown we cannot get our eyebrows done, and I think most of us have uneven growth both above and below the eyebrows. Now I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend it in. Now using the cream shade from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, I'll be powdering my lids to avoid any creasing. Also because today I'm going to use a liquid lipstick as an eyeshadow, so I don't want it to be messy. After I'm done doing this, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick all over my lid, and will be blending this using my fingers. You know guys, that you can simply use your finger to blend any liquid product inside your skin, may it be your foundation, your concealer, or a liquid blush or a highlighter. Anything can be perfectly blended with your finger. Then once you're done, you can later use a beauty sponge to remove the excess product of your skin. Now I'll do the same blending with my fingers for the other eye. And yeah, for like today I'm gonna keep it very simple, a very subtle pink all over the eyes. Now using this Wet n Wild waterproof liquid eyeliner, I'll create a very simple black cat eye, like very elegant simple cat eye. Guys, applying an eyeliner, and that too a winged eyeliner, is a tough task, so please bear with me. After this, I'll be moving on to foundation, and for my foundation today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige. Guys, this is not my shade, it's a bit dark for my skin tone, but I'll try work this out. And I love the applicator of this foundation. It has a spatula and it's very easy to apply foundation all over your skin. And once I'm done, I'll blend it using a beauty sponge. And guys, one thing that you have to keep in mind, that you don't have to swipe the product off your skin. You have to dab it in. Like, you damp the sponge and you dab it so that your skin absorbs the product. If you swipe the product or if you swipe it using the sponge, the product gets erased and we don't want it. We want that the product should get absorbed inside the skin for an even coverage. Also friends, don't hurry with this step. Take your time, like take 5-10 minutes and blend the product perfectly inside your skin. Once you're okay with the blending, then you can move ahead with the concealer. So today for the concealer, I'm again using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Light to highlight under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, and also my crease lines near my lips and a bit on my chin. Like basically all the high points you need to highlight them. Though for an everyday look, you guys can skip this step, but I think it's just your choice, because highlighting just uplifts your face. It just brightens the area under your eyes. So if you want that for an everyday look, good. If you don't, you can just skip this step. After my concealer is all blended, I'll then move on to blush. And today for blush, I'll use the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. And guys, it's a dupe for NARS Orgasm blush, and that's so costly, and this is like not even 1/10 of the penny that you spend on that. So yeah, I really love this blush. This is like my favorite blush in a way. Now I am unable to find the contouring palette, so for my contour I'll use the transition shade from the eyeshadow palette which I used earlier. That's the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, and I'll mix it with the other transition shade which is a bit bronze shade, and I'll just use this to bronze my face and also to give my face a bit of a shape, because obviously lockdown has given me a double chin, and I guess most of you are having a double chin right now. Also, I'll bronze my forehead a bit so that it looks a bit smaller. Now that I'm done, I'll then be using the Wet n Wild brow highlighter inside my waterline. Basically, it is to highlight your brows, but for today, I'll use it inside my waterline. Basically, what it does is that it opens up your eyes, it widens the eye, you look more awake. And it's a very creamy formula, like one stroke and you're done, like you're good to go. Now I'll be moving on to my favorite step, that is highlighting, and also it's a dewy look, so I'll highlight all over. Today I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals, and I love this highlighter as I've mentioned earlier in my previous videos. It will give my skin a very dewy, from the inside kind of glow. Now I'll be moving to the last step for today's look, that is applying lipstick. So today for lipstick, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the shade Nudist Peach again, and I literally adore this shade. This is a very pretty pink shade. Like half of my bottle is empty. I use this so much.
That's it for today's video, and I hope you guys did really like the video. So kindly subscribe to my channel and also comment down below how you found the look, and you could give me ideas of other videos that you guys want to see. And also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.